Work on a 2005 Honda Pilot. We're going to be changing the cabin air filter. So we're here on the passenger side. You're going to the glove box. Open the glove box. And you have these little connectors. They're not connectors. They're like bump stops, right? So get these out. All you got to do, you're on the other side as well. If you can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. So to get these out, it's not too hard. You just close your glove box a little bit. Take your other finger. Kind of hard to do with one hand here, but so as I'm up here a little bit pushing on the glove box closed, go ahead, you push your finger through, and then reach your other hand in here, pull it out towards you, and you get this bump stop off. I do the same on the other side. Push the glove box closed a little bit. They're tight, and it's best if you empty out the contents of your glove box before you do this, because it's gonna all fall down. And go in here, grab that, fish that out. Alright. Now the glove box is just going to fall. Alright, it's going to fall down there, right? So next thing you got to do, the cabin air filter sits behind here, but you have this metal bracket that sits in the way. Sorry about the low light here. But there are some videos on YouTube where it shows them taking off the bottom screws for the glove compartment. I just took the one on the left-hand side, closest to the center console. So once you do that, you have an 8mm bolt up on top here, and the screw down here. 8mm bolt on top, screw on the bottom, and then I undid it over here on this side as well. And then right here. Let's see if I can get a shot of this. Okay, right here, right above my thumb, there's a little clip that clips into the metal. This bar clips into the metal bar on the other side. So to get that out, you just got to push it up. You got to pull this plastic out, push this bar up and out. And then once you get that out of the way, it just drops down, as you can see. And then you have access, full access to the cabin air filter. So, kind of left this side alone. I guess I could have loosened these up and left them in place over on that side, right there. And then, so sorry about this light. That's where that little clip or tab goes into the other piece of metal. So just push that up and then down, push this out of the way, push the piece of metal up and down, and then it'll drop down, and then you have full access to your cabin air filter. Go ahead, pop it up loose on top. I had to get a screwdriver to pop it loose on top, and then put your finger down there, and there's a tab on the bottom as well. But that's how you change the cabin air filter on a Honda Pilot. Sorry about the low light, guys. If this video has helped you, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.